Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
As for determination, one should follow the example of the sparrow who lost her eggs in the waves of the ocean. A sparrow laid her eggs on the shore of the ocean, but the big ocean carried them away on its waves. The sparrow became very upset and asked the ocean to return her eggs. The ocean did not even consider her appeal, and so she decided to dry up the ocean. She began to...
A sparrow is trying to dry up the ocean. This is called determination. Just like our Gandhi, he declared war against the Britishers. What is the non-violent, non-cooperation? But the determination was there. That I must drive away the Britishers, and he did it. And what is your weapon? Non-violence. All right, you fight, you kill me, I shall not attack. He became, what is that? Determination. People laughed. Gandhi is declaring war with the Britishers, so powerful, British Empire. And actually, after the Britishers lost India, they lost all empire. Because that was the jewel of British Empire. They lost all position in the Far East, they lost position in Egypt, they lost position on Suez Canal, everything lost. So determination is so nice. Go on.
She began to pick out the water in her small beak, and everyone laughed at her for her impossible determination. The news of her activity spread, and at last Garuda, the gigantic bird carrier of Lord Vishnu, heard it. He became compassionate towards his small sister bird, and so he came to see the small sparrow, and he promised his help. Thus Garuda at once asked the ocean to return her eggs, lest he himself take up the work of the sparrow. The ocean was frightened at this and returned the eggs. Thus the sparrow became happy by the grace of Garuda.
So Garuda came to his rescue.
Similarly, the practice of yoga, especially bhakti yoga, in Krishna consciousness may appear to be a very difficult job. But if anyone follows the principles with great determination, the Lord will surely help. For God helps those who help themselves.
That's all. Any question?
You said that determination is the important factor for achieving success. And how does one keep this enthusiasm always, like how does one feed the fire of this enthusiasm and determination when dealing with so many things that...
Determination means we be enthusiastic also. That is one of the part of determination. Usaha dhajya, tat karma. Usaha, that enthusiasm is the real beginning of determination. And unless you are enthusiastic, how your determination can continue? So, determination, enthusiasm, patience, working in the regulative principle, these are the different functions of determination. Determination is one word of all these things. Enthusiasm, patience, working hard, with confidence. These are different features of determination.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.